Next leader, my name is Yasir Yasin from Pakistan. In this video, I try to explain Cornex marketing overview. I have Cornex USDT PDF. So let's go on PDF and try to explain Cornex marketing overview. What is Cornex? Cornex in Unitation District Marketing Platform that runs on FRGX token with tools to create manage their online business as well as earn from staking and farming. Cornex rules on FRGX token BNB chain token with recommend ownership and 40,000 holders. Cornex is powered smart contract with open code and stake to temporary and lightly the FRG space ecosystem which brings together international projects from deliver fleets. Cornex is a constitution building and offer new solution trade to fit its needs to community. Meet step number 3. Meet Cornex USDT coming in May 2024. Unlocking the benefits in its work and rewards with the explanation on levels. Auto result of level cycles from continuous animations. Acquisitions quality with 100% funds distribution to user, immediately reward sent directly person to wallet. Step number 5, translates in acquisition to open smart contract code, no need to withdraw and using some to user explain equal opportunity for all particulars. Cornex USDT metric overview. Basic line 30%, first line 20%, second line 30%, or third line 50%. Basic fact about Cornex USDT level monetization and reward are USDT and FRGX 14 levels that cost from 5 to 700 USDT level have on experienced 40 plus and 3 million in each level. Reward per each level cycle. Auto reset of level after one for plus are to taken. Unlimited opportunity for limited reward in USDT FRGX. Next USDT level price 1 USDT 5 price 23, 2 price USDT 10 46 3 50 69 4 25 150 5 40 184 6 16 2 7 6 7 90 4 1 9 40 100 184 10 70 320 22 11 1000 4016 12 200 9 to 2030 4000 50 27 47,000 22 2200 achieved only a second order from loss to highlights. Each level is separate maximum circle that work independent. You can set your account to receive reward in FRGX at the current market value. Platform from the first cycle of each level is more than enough to active the next level. Level 1 5 USDT, level 2 10 USDT, level 3 50 USDT, 25 level 5 40, level 6 16, level 7 19, level 8 200, level 9 400, level 10 700, 11 11 12 20, level 12,000, level 13 45,000, level 14 7,000. Cornex service fee level 1 price USD 50 Sharia 8, level 2 10 USDT 1.5, level 3 50 USDT 2.1, 4 level 4 25 USDT 3.25, level 5 40 USDT 4.8, level 6 for 16 6 Sharia 6, 7 level 19 USDT 9, 8 USDT 8 level USDT 200 18, 9 level 400 USDT 20 32 10 level 700 USDT 49 11 100 USDT 16 12 200 2000 USDT 100 अपना 13 45 USDT 180 14 level Cornex USDT terms direct partner each person who has registered with your personal affect link. They occupy that next free place both in your achieve level band in metric structure above places are sports in the active level that can be occupied by other user as soon as all the places are taken the level automatically results. Explosions happen if place in your levels are occupied not only by your direct partners but also by parts of other terms members. They can from above and blue splatter from blue it is a direct partner of your upline. Supploser from blue it is a direct partner of your blue. University terms level cycle is a level with all 140 plays taken by partners. Level restart open or same level automatically as soon as the two last plays are taken and reward from this place are directly to buy this level again. Overtaking happens if you have not attempting to level that your donor partner has so that reward gets to the close upline partner who active this level.